If your power bank charge is slow, takes hours to fill your phone, or has completely stopped working, don't throw it away yet. I'll show you the real fixes. Power banks are essential in Nigeria, but most people don't know how to diagnose them when something goes wrong. Sometimes the problem is not even the power bank. It's the cable, the adapter, or the phone. Let's break everything down simply. Tip 1. Test with a different cable. Most common issue: 80% of slow charging problems come from fake or weak cables. Use a 3A or 5A fast charging cable. If your cable is bad, even a 30,000 mAh power bank will behave useless. Tip 2. Use the right charging adapter. If you use a weak 5W adapter to charge a big power bank, it will charge slow or stop halfway. Use at least 18W fast charger, 20W, 33W, and avoid unknown brand chargers. Tip 3. Check the power bank ports. Try switching from the USB-A port to the USB-C port. Some ports fail quicker than others. If one port is slow, another may still work perfectly. Tip 4. Reset the power bank. Some power banks freeze internally. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to reset it. For strong brands like Oraimo, Redmi, Anker, this usually fixes the issue. Tip 5. Clean the charging ports. Dust inside the charging port reduces contact. Use a dry brush or toothpick to gently clean the area. Tip 6. Look for signs of a fake power bank. If the power bank gets hot quickly, drains too fast, never reaches full capacity, it's likely fake. Nigeria is flooded with fake power banks. If your power bank still misbehaves, bring it to Bemi Gadgets. We check, diagnose, and tell you the truth, whether it's reparable or if you need a new original one. We also sell original power banks that charge fast and last long.